I think the first reason why I do this is probably scientific curiosity. The world of the immune system is huge and it interacts with most of the things we do and our body. In the CellFit Project, we're working on a certain type of cell therapy that's used in cancer patients, and what we're really hoping to achieve is to make a T cell that we can use for therapy that will last in the patient after we inject it for years, so we can prevent the cancer from coming back. A T cell is a cell that is one of the main components of the immune system. It can adapt to whatever threats we have. It has memory. So if it sees an infection, for example, it can remember that infection and the cells are ready to eradicate that infection. We want to boost the T cells that we produce today because these cells could be very efficient against cancer, but we do not know that much about how we can produce them yet. And that's what we're going to find out in this project. The main beneficiary of this project would be patients that can get better cell therapy. But of course, there are other people that will benefit from good results. We'd also like to drive the science further and be able to contribute to gain new knowledge. Oslo University Hospital is coordinating the project, and we have teamed up with SINTEF in Trondheim. They can produce T cells in small wells, and then they can show that these T cells can kill cancer cells. And they have a fantastic system with robots that can do a lot of this work, because otherwise we wouldn't be able to manually screen so many different growth conditions. We're also working with Thermo Fisher. They are a huge company that have developed reagents and the things that the T cells need to be able to multiply in the lab, so we have enough cells to give back to the patient. In addition, we're working with Oslo Cancer Cluster, and they have a very large network, and this means that we have a much better chance of providing responsible research and innovation. We applied for membership with Digital Life Norway after having discussed the possibilities of a broader network for data management and sharing. We have huge amounts of data, and by interacting with other projects, we might be able to use the data in a better way. What would be a success of the project is ultimately if we manage to find a way to produce the type of cell that we would like. It's exciting to see that we can find new knowledge about T cells, and it's nice to be able to see that what we do is of use to someone.